Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show one interesting calculus questions and showing the mindset of how to escape the normal techniques and to analyze and evaluating the calculus and the integral itself. So let's look at this. Integral from negative pi over 2 to the positive pi over 2 cosine x minus x times cosine x cubed dx. Okay, so how to solve this? First, we must thought about the u sub rules, u substitute, and we can get that if like u equals x cubed, and then du over dx is 3 times x squared. So there must be then x squared, and we can find that there's just an x. So so uh so the x and the x squared, uh the difference is just an x. So someone will say that we can just times the x and b becomes this and becomes x squared cosine x cubed then is over x. But after this algebra transformation, and you can find that this was nothing. So how to solve this problem in a more effective way? So we can divide this integral into two small integrals. First is from negative pi over 2 cosine x dx, and this one, and we can find that is equals to the sine of x 2 over pi negative 2, and is equals 2, right? That's equals 2. And the second integral is negative pi over 2 and negative pi over 2 x times cosine x cubed dx. So this integral, we must use a different mindset, and this mindset mirrors your thought about the function and the integral. And we can see that x times cosine x cubed is not as easy as you can simply doing it by the use of techniques. And we can see this as a function. When we see this as a function, we know that y equals x is just an odd function, right? It's an odd function. And cosine x cubed is also like this, right? Like this. Like this. And two similar with the cosine x, with the cosine x. So we can find it's an even function. So we know that if an odd function times an even function, and the final the max function is just an odd function. So by using this rule, we can find that f(x) equals x times cosine x cubed is just an odd function. And if we use the integral negative pi over 2 to the positive pi over 2, and we can simply get if this is the pi over 2 and this is the negative pi over 2, and whatever the function like, and it will similar to this, and this s1 is equals to s2, so s1 plus s2 equals 0. So the whole integral is 0. So that we can find the original integral is just equals to the cosine x dx from positive power 2 to negative power 2. So it's 2. Okay, that's a different mindset I want to show you. Thanks. Enjoy the video.